So there's probably over a thousand Bobcat 300 unboxing videos on the internet, but I wanted to document this moment because it's just kind of a milestone in my life. I finally received my Bobcat 300, and what's interesting is I placed the order back in May, the end of May of last year, and it definitely took 12 to 20 weeks to receive the unit. In fact, it took over 20 weeks, I believe, just over. And what's funny is in the process of placing the order and waiting to receive it, I at, back in May, I didn't know anything about helium other than I was interested in the project and it sounded like a good idea. My cousin turned me on to helium, and so I looked into it further. At the time, the only manufacturer was accepting orders at all. To the best of my knowledge, was Bobcat. So I placed the order, patiently waited, and after maybe the first 2 or 3 months, I started getting uh, you know I started having ants in my pants, I guess you could say, and so I started noticing other um, manufacturers coming around and becoming available. And anyway, my point is, in the process, the time that it took for me to place this order and receive the unit, I learned so much about helium, and um, I've also ordered and received other units or other hotspots from, Rack, SenseCap. And so my point is, once I finally received this, it was kind of anticlimactic. I this has been sitting here for a while now just because I got sick. I and then the holidays came, and I basically just I already have a miner running here and at my parents' house, and I'm looking for talking to other people and figuring out where to place more. But my point is, um, I don't know. I was so excited to get this, and it took so long to get here that it's not that I don't care. I just uh, got sidetracked, I guess. And so anyway, it's here. It's not doing anything sitting in this box. So let's open this up and see what's inside. The first thing the main thing I'm interested in seeing is if this is the new, slightly updated design where they changed the logo and maybe the color of the unit is. I think this is the new model or the new design. So here we go. Bobcat Miner 300, the People's Miner. How it works. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Bobcatminer.com. And so I open the package, and first thing I see is there's a quick start guide Step 1, download the Helium Hotspot app. I have. Choose your Step 2, follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your hotspot. Click you understand. Power up the unit. Scan via Bluetooth. Step 3, don't forget to attach the low raw antenna. You can do this step at any time during the setup. And then you get a troubleshooting guide, Bobcat Miner do's and don'ts. It says, do place miner indoor. Opt to use Ethernet for connection stability, which I will second that from experience. If you're using Wi-Fi and you have the ability to connect with Ethernet, switch to Ethernet. You will earn more. Let's see what else. Gently screw on the included stock antenna. Connect antenna first before powering on the hotspot. Don't put miner outside in heat/cold. Don't install upgraded antenna directly to connector. Don't reboot the miner excessively. Turn the miner around. Don't turn the miner around the antenna cable. I don't know what that means. Don't open the hotspot. Okay. Well, let's see. There's a warranty card. Some screws. And let's see what here we have. Wow, this is a tiny antenna. I believe this is 4 dBi, but I've heard people say that they get good results with this, so it'll be interesting to see what happens here. And there's a little cap, a little rubber cap here that needs to come off, and then you can screw the antenna to the base. And I'm wondering if this is magnetic. It'll be interesting to see, find out if that is. And then there's this little rubber boot that goes on the bottom here, and another protector for the antenna connection that will need to come off or just pull off. Okay. And what else? There's not much else other than, well, the AC adapter, and of course the Bobcat Miner 300. There it is. This is actually for some reason I expected it to be larger, but this is cool. I like it. And I think this is the new design with that, looks like a cat with whiskers. So cool. That's about it. I mean, there's not much else to show. I do have a place to put this, so it'll be interesting. It's going to be a different environment than what I'm used to. Currently, I'm experienced with setting up these devices in suburban areas and also very rural areas. And this one is going to go downtown. So it'll be in a city. And so that'll be interesting to see, what kind of adjustments are going to have to take place in regards to the antenna, and if I'm going to stick with this default 4 dBi antenna that comes with the unit, or if I'm going to upgrade. I haven't been to the location yet, so I'll have to scout that out and see what the options are. But that's about it. Bobcat Miner 300. Let's put this baby to work, because it wasn't doing anyone any good sitting in the box, right? Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, join the Discord in the description below. Works, so I don't need to keep reminding. Why does everyone keep telling everyone how YouTube works? It's so annoying. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, and if you don't like the way I talk, or you think I speak too slowly, there's an easy solution. Don't watch my videos. Thanks.